Hi YouTube, this is Charlene here. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I made a video, but if you've been following me on Instagram, you already know what this is about. Today we're doing 3 DIY natural bridal hairstyles featuring KinkyCurlyYaki. I'm so excited to partner with them. Today I'm going to be showing you how to style the 16-inch My Straight Coarse clip-ins. As you can see, it comes in this cute little satin purple bag. Also, it comes with some hair care instructions. I have already shampooed this hair off camera and conditioned it. These are just the instructions, so when you get it, you guys know exactly what to do. So we're going to jump right into this tutorial. So I'm starting with the hair that has been air dried after I've shampooed and conditioned it. I've gone ahead and put some flat twists into my hair. As you can see, ladies, this is nothing pretty. Anyone can do this. You can flat twist your hair however you want just to get the hair flat underneath the clip-ins, and I'm just going to place them one on top of each other. I have about 3 clip-ins in the back. I always start with the longest pieces to cover the back of the head, and then I'm going to move to the front. I've sort of parted my hair at the top, giving like a little U part because I want that natural blown out hair at the top to be clear for me to blend with the rest of the hair, because I'm going to do a little halo twist out here. So as you can see, I'm going to move to the top of my head, just strategically placing those clip-ins where I want the hair to fall. As you guys can see, this is nothing that is hard. I'm barely using straight parts here because I want you guys to see how easy it is just for even a beginner to do. But as you can see, it does look very natural and it does blend very well with my blown out natural hair, which I absolutely love. I'm going to start by putting a little edge control on my hair. Of course, not too much. I want it to be just enough where my hair slicks down, but I'm not going for the super laid baby hair look. So I'm just going to put a little edge control. I'm going to start by twisting at the top. You can see my flat twist that is shown there a little bit, but I'm going to cover that up, so no need to worry about that. I'm going to start with one large twist on the right side, and then I'm going to do another twist on the other side and just laying down my edges a little bit. As you can see, I'm not going for anything super laid down. I'm going to take the twist from the other side and twist that and bring it on down, and then as you can see now I have 2 big giant twists, and I'm just going to move that one over and kind of push it into the back and put a bobby pin in there, and then I'm going to twist the other one and kind of bring it to the front and tuck that second twist into the first twist on the right and just kind of tuck it in there to make a little halo bun. You can really play around with this and you can position it any way you want to. The key here is to just pin. I must have used maybe like 4 or 5 bobby pins just to kind of get the look where I want it. Again, this isn't anything that is super laid down, super tight. I just want it to be nice and fluffy. I'm going to insert a cute little bridal brooch here, and as you can see, we have a beautiful natural halo twist, and it's so easy. I really love this style. So add a little veil and we're good to go. On to style number 2. So here I am starting with the same blown out hair. I have a middle part this time, so just showing you guys where I positioned those clip-ins. I'm going to start by straightening this hair with a flat iron. You guys, this hair flat irons so well. It holds a curl beautifully, and as you can see, when I am pressing this hair out, just look how good it looks. It matches with my natural hair very well as I press that out as well. So I'm going to put some soft curls just all around my head. And something that I didn't mention before, the reason why I left most of my hair twisted down is that way I can have minimal leave out and minimal amount that I actually have to style and to put heat on. See how well that just blends with my natural hair? So I'm only leaving a part of my hair out because I already knew I was going to put heat on it, and I want the least amount of heat on my hair as possible. Look at those curls and just look how well the clip-ins straighten, and look how well it blends with my natural hair. I really like it. So I'm going to put these curls all over, as you can see. And now what we're going to do here, now that the hair is curled, you're going to start with 2 low ponytails with just some little tendrils hanging in the front. I'm going to take one ponytail, kind of twist it and pin it into the back section of my hair. Nothing super fancy. And then I'm going to take the other ponytail and twist that around and pin it onto the other side of the back of my head as well. This is to give us a soft little curly low bun kind of textured do. Nothing very structured. The look that we're going for here is just like loose, low curly bun. And now I'm going to put this little baby's breath in here as a little decor. And then also I'm going to make sure I get that little hanging piece. You just kind of want to tuck and pin the little pieces that are falling out. And we have a cute little low curly updo with the little tendrils. I love this look just because it's soft and it's cute, and then you can let this hair down later, actually, like during your reception, and you'll have kind of like a long curly flowy look. So I really enjoyed this look a lot. So for style number 3, we're going to do a twist out. Actually, I started off camera, just already twisted my hair with a little leave-in conditioner and a little product. Ladies, you can really twist your hair up with any of your favorite leave-in conditioners, any of your favorite product. It doesn't matter. You just want to make sure the hair is super moisturized. So that's my twist out that I installed the night before. I also installed twist on the clip-ins with some perm rods on the end. So as I said before, I'm gonna take the longest piece of the clip-ins and start at the back of my hair. Again, ladies, this is nothing super structured, super fancy. I'm just getting the clip-ins back there to give my hair some volume and some length. I usually do about 3 rows of clip-ins in the back, and then I go through and I fill in the top half of my hair with the other clip-ins. I am strategically placing these clip-ins where I want majority of the hair to fall. This is going to be a side swept twist out, so I want majority of the hair to fall to the right side of my face. So that's where I am going to put it. Again, I am unraveling the perm rods, that I put in the night before, and really going to blend that into my hair. And just look at how well this blends with my natural hair. Like, I really enjoy it, and I really love the texture of these clip-ins. Now that I have everything out, I'm just gonna kind of fluff and separate a little bit more. There you can see the back and how well it's blending with the hair. Again, it looks really well. I'm gonna start by doing just kind of like a side twist, like just gathering a lot of hair and pinning it to the side because we're going for a side swept look. And then I'm going to go over to the other side of the hair and really just fluff it up a little bit, give it some more volume, give it some more shape, a little bit more drama. I'm gonna put some pins at the top just to give it some height because we really want this to be, you know, kind of big and dramatized on the right side. I'm gonna take that same pin I used in the earlier style and pin it in there for a little bling so we get the style and get the hair all flowing to the side like that. I'm also going to continue to fluff this side, and then I added a little headband just for like an extra little pop of decor. I'm not really big on headbands, but I thought it was cute with this look. Just something very soft and romantic if you want the hair to fall a little bit more on your day. And then again, you could take this down and just have long curly hair. So as a bonus style, we're gonna take that side swept curls and we're gonna do a little pin back. So all you're gonna do is take the hair that was hanging and do a loose flat twist, very loose twist to the back of the hair. Then you're gonna take that and just kind of tuck it within itself in the back to give you like this low, soft tucked curly look. Again, this is nothing very structured. I'm just kind of twisting and pulling and pinning. I'm going to pin down a little bit of the hair to come on the sides just to give a little tendrils there. Something really cute. This may have been my favorite look of them all. I just love the little side swept hair. And then I love, love, love this veil to add to it. Just gives it a little pop. And then ladies, you are all set. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is my favorite style. I just love that pin back look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. 3 DIY natural hair tutorials that anyone can do. Again, this is with the KinkyCurlyYaki 16-inch My Straight Coarse clip-ins. And thanks for watching.